sale. That's going to be April the 26th and 27th of 2024. First, we have this beautiful 2017 50th anniversary edition SS Camaro. Now, hold on just a second, because we also have this 2015 Chevrolet SS sedan. Hold on just a second, let me show you inside. Come on and see. I'm going to start it up for you. Got a lot of power for a sedan. I can't hardly believe it. It has 415 horsepower in this little sedan. Can you believe it? It has a V8 engine, and it's absolutely really pretty. A Sportster. See all the leather interior, great stitching. Every electronic known to man is on this thing, and it only has a little under 83,000 miles. So it's a great car for somebody. It's the perfect red color. And I can't wait for you to see it at our next estate sales. You're going to come place your bid in our box, and now let's go see the Camaro. This Camaro has 455 horsepower. It has a 6.2 liter V8 engine. It has a little under 16,000 miles. What a great car. Let's check it out. Are you ready for this? We're going to put this top down. One button. Check it out. You can be going 30 miles an hour and let this top up or down. It's all electric. Isn't that a great looking car? I'd even say it's a sexy car. Anybody look great in this car. Y'all come bid on it. April 26th and 27th. Place your bid in our box. The highest bidder will be called Saturday at noon. You can purchase this great vehicle or the other SS. Got a couple other bid odds for you too. You check us out on estatesales.net. Look in the description for all the information. See you soon.